So today it's the 10th of August 2024. What was the address, by the way?
What's gatvė 28.
28, okay. We have one stick is here. Was it the only in the building, maybe?
Yes.
Yeah. It was built in 1982. All the buttons inside are original.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, these black buttons. No, these ones. So you can wait here. We'll be back soon. Yeah.
No.
No, no. There's no number, but here.
Yeah.
It's for 12th story, but 8 floors are yours.
Yeah. Serial number is 02648.
Yeah. Then in this quarter we had to search again for the original one.
Yeah.
We finally found one also.
Yeah. Most of them have been modernized or replaced in this quarter, unfortunately.
But here was an original.
Yeah. But in this area, maybe more than half the letters are still original.
Yeah, in total it's still not bad.
Yeah.
It's still a good area. If more than half are
Yeah.
original. But we didn't find the older than 98.
Yeah. It's built by TPT and maintained by Kony.
Yes, that's right. The machine is original too.
Yeah.
And I like the smell and sounds.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure if the walls are original because they are lighter, but still good.
Almost same. Maybe they are original, but then.
Oh.
But the light is not original.
Yeah.
Of course. And it's very annoying, like you can see it is.
With these blinds.
Yeah. Very bad lighting.
It should have been the original one.
Yeah.
I don't know why they had to replace the light here.
Yeah.
I believe they did it at the same time as the walls.
Yeah.
And the walls they probably did in the 2000s maybe.
Yeah.
Late 2000s.
Yeah.
Alright. Now thank you very much for watching and that's it. So,
That's the